In this video, I will show you that how you can get web access on ChatGPT. It means how you can get real-time data from ChatGPT. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, you know that the ChatGPT has limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. It means it does not give the real-time data or real-time information. So here I'm asking the question that is related to 2023. It is question that give me top 20 new trending songs list on TikTok that are now trending in 2023. So here is answer of ChatGPT that I'm sorry, but as an AI language model, I cannot predicate the future or provide information on songs that are currently trending on 2023. It means it does not have knowledge of 2023. So now we go on Google and search the web chat gpt extension. Okay, so here we search web chat gpt extension to edit web access on chat gpt. Here you can see the first website of Google, so click on it and here you can see this extension. It has web chat gpt and it is a chat gpt with internet access. So here is you can see the option of edit to Chrome, so click on it and again here is the edit extension, so click on it and after clicking on edit extension you can see this type of interface. It is a chat gpt with web access. So here is a web access button, you can off and on as you want. Here is on. So now I'm asking the same question that I was asked before. So here I'm asking a question that give me top 20 songs that are now trending on TikTok 2023. So what will be results it gives? Now it is full of information. So here is a lot of songs or lists that it gives me. So here's a listen TikTok songs you can't get out your head. I talked on 2023 TikTok songs by Filter on Apple Music and River, Kill Bill and more. And here is the URL of these songs and another is listen to TikTok songs 2023 viral internet hits and trending songs 2023 by Topsifa on Apple Music. That is the and that has a URL of their songs. And another song is Mika, that was Big Girl, released in 2007. And here is up to so on a lot of songs and full of information with who make the songs and up to so on. So here we ask another question that is gives me name of movies that are released in 2023. So it will give me answer. We will show. So here's I have written this and I have pressed enter and here's the chat gpt now started to write these informations. So here's started and complete it. I will show you. So here you can see the names of movies. Some movies it has gives me that the first movie is a M3GI and that is a horror movie about artificial intelligence doll and boyfriend recently a friend's girl. And second one is the House Party, a comedy movie about two friends who throw a massive party in the house on NBA player. And third one is Ant-Man and the Wasp, Quantum, a superhero movie from Marvel Studios that follows the adventures of Ant-Man and the Wasp. And the fourth one is Across the Spider-Verse, the sequel to the Oscar-winning animated movies Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. And fifth one is Killer of the Flower Moons, and it has some movies that it gives me the name of these that has already released in 2023. So this type of extension you can get web access. It means you can get real-time data from ChatGPT using this extension. I hope this video will help you to get extra